Welcome to Advisory. This week you will be focusing on pre-registration both Monday and Wednesday. And today I'm going to talk to you about how you learn about the classes you need and how to make those requests. All right, so this calendar is on your slide deck and your advisor should go over it with you, but today we'll work on pre-registration. Conference scheduling window in Skyward opens up today and will be open until the 22nd. Parents will need to log into their Skyward and schedule a conference with the advisor. Students, if you talk to your parents and you have a date and time, or if your advisor lets you call from class this week and come up with a day and time, then just let Mrs. Garraway know and we can schedule it for you. What you're going to be doing today is you are going to get a copy of your credit check and transcript. If you were gone, then your advisor has a copy of the transcript and a blank credit check, so you will need to do that. You will also learn how to use the course catalog, which provides really good information about all the classes that we offer. You will also learn how to complete your pre-registration form so that you will have a working document for when you enter your requests at the student-led conference. And you will also have Wednesday, a dedicated time on the 13th to work on pre-registration. You will have additional time the next week, but we're not just specifically focusing on registration. These are the forms that I was talking about. So everybody should have a completed copy of their credit check and a transcript. And this is what's going to help you decide what specific classes you need for graduation beyond just your English, your math, science, and history. All right, so we're going to look at the course catalog. I have linked it here on this slide, and your advisors can post it into Canvas. So the course catalog has a link, and so does the cross credit sheet. But I am going to show you a much easier way to get to it. So if you go to the Timberline webpage and you're going to go to academics and you just come down to course catalog, and you will find all of the catalogs since 2021. So you're going to click on that. Immediately on the second page, you'll see table of contents. There's a lot of good information in here. It talks about graduation requirements, graduation pathways, high school and beyond, grading policies. So these are things that you will want to take a look at because it gives some pretty specific information on how to do certain things. Now, the section 2 here, this is probably the most important. These are all hyperlinked. This is all a table of contents of all the classes, and they are grouped by their subject. So there's career and technical ed, English, health and physical education, math, and so on. Again, all of these are linked. So if you know that you are looking for, say you are going to be a junior, and you decide rather than taking regular English 11, you want to take English Lang, AP English Lang. So you want to know more. So you're going to click on English. Immediately it'll bring you to the start of the English courses, gives you a sequence so you kind of know what to do for the next step after you complete a class. And then all the classes are listed. So let's look for AP Lang. And that is right here. So Advanced Placement English Language Composition. It gives you the grade. So typically this is 11th, but 12 can be accepted. It's a year-long class, so you are expected to be in it both semesters, and you get English credit or elective credit if you already have the English credit. There are some prerequisites, which mean that you must have certain classes before you can take that. They are suggesting honors world literature or instructor recommendation. And then the last part is just a really brief summary of the class so that you kind of know what's going on. And all of this is, it covers every single class. And all you would need to do is go to, let me see here. Bear with me. Went too far. See all that important information? There. So this is really all that you need to find on the second page. Is this is what's going to be you're going to be using. Okay, so as you choose classes, the expectation is that if you have questions about them, you will be using this course catalog to find out. If you have more questions beyond what you've read in this course catalog, then you will need to talk to that teacher. All right, we're going to move on to the next part, which is actually the form and how to do that. So stay tuned.